Hello, and welcome to the cPanel TV channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the FTP Accounts Interface to manage files in your cPanel account. What is FTP? FTP is an acronym for File Transfer Protocol. It allows you to transfer files between your computer and the cPanel and WHM server. You can only use the FTP Accounts Interface if your hosting provider enables FTP for your cPanel account. To access the FTP Accounts Interface, first log in to cPanel. This brings us to the cPanel interface. The Tools page is the default home page. From here, you can navigate to any feature cPanel offers. Let's go to the Files group and click FTP Accounts. The FTP Accounts interface allows you to create and manage FTP users for your cPanel account. I don't have any FTP accounts yet. Let's create one. I will enter user in the login text box. The domain menu lets me select the domain for the FTP account. I will select example.com. I'll use the password generator to create a secure password. Finally, I'll click Create FTP Account. Now that I've created an FTP account, I can view that account in the FTP Accounts section of the interface. I can change the account password, or I can delete the account. When I click Configure FTP Client, the interface expands to show the FTP server connection details. You can manually enter the connection details for your FTP client, or you can download the configuration file for one of the listed FTP clients. To learn how to use one of these clients, click Instructions. A new window will open with instructions for using the client. This video showed you how to use the FTP Accounts interface. I've included links to our documentation in the video description. For more information about cPanel, the hosting platform of choice, visit our website at cpanel.net or follow us on social media at cPanel. What did you think of this video? Let us know in the comments. And for more helpful videos, subscribe to our cPanel TV channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.